untapped. It's fantastic. It's amazing. If you ever get a chance, guys, to come down here and see the Werribee River, it's a little bit off the beaten track. You have to search for it, but it's amazing. Golden secret. Hey guys, we've come down to the beautiful Werribee River Park today. Just walking along, looking at the beautiful scenery, the river, and all of the nature and bird life that goes with that. It's just a shame that it's not all dog friendly, so we couldn't take Ollie everywhere and we haven't seen it all, but we look forward to coming back soon, hopefully, but not with Ollie, which would be a shame, because at the end of the day, it's his walks that were the star. Hey guys, today we've come for a lovely walk along the Werribee River Park.